So further to what we did in the last video, now we are going to talk about the current assets. It is expected to be settled in the company's normal operating cycle, which means एक साल के अंदर अंदर इनको सेटल होना कंपलसरी है. इट इज़ हेल्ड फॉर द पर्पज ऑफ बीइंग ट्रेडेड. करंट एसेट्स हम इसलिए होल्ड करते हैं ताकि हम ट्रेड कर पाएँ. इट इज़ ड्यू टू बी सेटल्ड विद इन 12 months आफ्टर द रिपोर्टिंग पीरियड. सो करंट इन्वेस्टमेंट्स क्या होती हैं? करंट एसेट्स में क्या क्या आता है? एक तो करंट इन्वेस्टमेंट मतलब दैट कैन बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू कैश विद इन 12 months. सो इन्वेस्टमेंट इन इक्विटी इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स, प्रेफरेंस शेयर्स, गवर्नमेंट सिक्योरिटीज, डिबेंचर, म्यूचुअल फंड्स एक्सेट्रा. इन्वेंट्रीज, रॉ मटेरियल, वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस, फिनिश्ड गुड्स, स्टॉक इन ट्रेड, स्टोर्स एंड स्पेयर्स, लूज टूल्स, ये सब इन्वेंट्रीज का पार्ट है. ट्रेड रिसीवेबल्स, इट इंक्लूड्स बोथ डेटर्स एंड बिल्स रिसीवेबल, cash and cash equivalents, short term loans and advances. Other current assets that are restricted to prepaid expenses, accrued income and advance tax only. Contingent liabilities and capital commitments. Contingent liabilities may or may not arise because they are dependent on a happening in future. So contingent, अचानक से होने वाली, we call them contingent liabilities. So they are not recorded in the book of accounts, but it is disclosed in the notes to accounts for the information of the users के लिए. For example, claims against the company not acknowledged as debts, guarantees other money for which the company is contingently liable. Capital commitments, future liability for capital expenditure in respect of which contracts have been made. Uncalled liability on shares and other investments partly paid up. Note, the accounting treatment of following items will not be examined: money received against share warrants, share application money pending allotment, deferred tax liabilities, other long-term liabilities, capital work in progress, intangible assets under development, and deferred tax asset net. Let's understand it with the help of a problem. List the major heads under which the assets are presented in the balance sheet of a company. Non-current assets, current assets, right? Name the subheads under the non-current assets in the balance sheet. So subheads: tangible, intangible, fixed assets, non-current investments, right? Deferred tax assets, long-term loans and advances, and other non-current assets. Under which head the following items on the asset side of the balance sheet will be presented? So let's start with sundry debtors, current liability, current assets, trade receivables, patents and trademarks, patents, non-current assets, fixed assets, intangible assets, share in Reliance Limited, investment, non-current assets, long term, bills receivable, current assets, trade receivables, advance recoverable in cash, current assets, short term loans and advances, prepaid insurance, current assets, other current assets, work in progress, current assets, stock, goodwill, non current assets, fixed assets, intangible assets, loose tools, current assets, stock, bank balance, current assets, cash and cash equivalents. Let's understand the comprehensive question. Under what head the following items in the balance sheet will be presented? Share option outstanding, money received against share warrants, checks and draft in hand, bank overdraft, deferred tax liability, deferred tax assets, computer software. So share option outstanding, shareholder fund, reserves and surplus, money received against share warrants, shareholder funds, checks and drafts in hand, जो भी कैश एट बैंक, ड्राफ्ट इन हैंड, चेक इन हैंड, they are all the current assets. So cash and cash equivalents. Bank overdraft, current liability. Short term borrowings. Deferred tax liabilities, non current liability है. Deferred tax assets, अगर वो नॉन करंट लाइबिलिटी है तो ये नॉन करंट एसेट होगा. कंप्यूटर सॉफ्टवेयर एसेट है, नॉन करंट एसेट, फिक्स्ड एंड इंटेंजिबल एसेट. From the following information extracted from the books of XY Limited, prepare a balance sheet of the company. Long term borrowings, $500, trade payable 30, सो लॉन्ग टर्म बोरिंग्स लॉन्ग टर्म का पार्ट है. ट्रेड पेबल्स करंट लाइबिलिटी, शेयर कैपिटल शेयर होल्डर फंड, रिजर्व्स एंड सरप्लस शेयर होल्डर फंड, फिक्स्ड एसेट्स टेंजिबल नॉन करंट एसेट्स, इन्वेंट्रीज करंट एसेट्स, trade receivable current assets, cash and cash equivalent current assets. So let's make a balance sheet. Equities and liabilities, shareholder funds, share capital, reserves and surplus. Non-current liabilities, long-term borrowings, right? Current liabilities are trade payables. Assets, non-current assets, fixed assets, tangible assets. Current assets, inventories and trade receivables, cash and cash equivalents. This is total. Under what head the assets in the balance sheet of the company will be presented? Trade receivables. Trade receivables current asset, inventories current asset, cash current asset, marketable securities current asset, bank overdraft current asset, current liability, right? सो करंट एसेट्स में ये तीनों कैश एंड कैश इक्विवेलेंट में आएंगे. कैश, मार्केटेबल सिक्योरिटीज एंड बैंक ओवरड्राफ्ट. सो बैंक ओवरड्राफ्ट इज अ लाइबिलिटी, सो सबट्रैक्ट हो जाएगी 30,000. सो एसेट्स में करंट एसेट्स वुड बी दीज मैनी 30,000. फॉर कैश एंड कैश इक्विवेलेंट्स देन ट्रेड रिसीवेबल्स एंड स्टॉक इज 10 lakhs and 6 lakhs. Asset side of balance sheet of the company will be presented. Land and building, fixed asset, goodwill. So land and building is non-current asset, fixed, that is tangible. Goodwill and patents are non-current assets, fixed but intangible. Right, land and building is tangible, goodwill and patents are intangible. Accordingly, they will appear in the balance sheet. Non-current assets, fixed assets, intangible assets. Next, liabilities. Share capital, liability side, shareholder funds, statement of profit and loss, credit side, security premium, long term borrowings, inventory, preliminary expenses, provision for tax and goodwill. So shareholder funds, share capital 5 lakhs, reserves and surplus 2,70,000, non-current liabilities, long-term borrowings 1 lakh, current liabilities, short-term provisions 40,000. Assets, non-current assets, fixed assets, intangible assets and current assets, which are inventories. So by putting their value we get to the total. So these would be the notes to accounts. The authorized capital, the issued capital, the subscribed capital which is fully paid. 5 lakhs, reserves and surpluses, security premium, preliminary expenses written off 80,000 subtract हो जाएगा. Balance of statement of P&L 2 lakhs, short term provisions which is provision for tax, intangible assets, goodwill. So preliminary expenses are to be written off entirely in the year in which they are incurred. They should be written off from security premium, its absence from statement of profit and loss. Share issue expense, discount on shares, underwriting commission being special nature could be written off gradually 3 to 5 years. But preliminary expenses आपको immediate write off करने ही होते हैं. Under what head the following items of the asset side of balance sheet will be presented? So statement of P&L credit which is 70,000 पॉजिटिव है. प्रिलिमिनरी एक्सपेंसेस राइट ऑफ कर रहे हो तो 1,20,000 50,000 माइनस का रह गया. लॉन्ग टर्म बोरोइंग्स 9% डिबेंचर्स, अदर नॉन करंट एसेट्स, डिस्काउंट ऑन इशू ऑफ 9% डिबेंचर्स 2/3 ऑफ 45,000 लिखा हुआ है कि रिटर्न ऑफ इन 3 years. अदर करंट एसेट्स वुड बी 9% डिबेंचर्स, डिस्काउंट ऑन इशू ऑफ डिबेंचर्स 1/3. So it would be the same. Equities and liabilities, shareholder fund, share capital, the reserves and surplus. We saw it is in negative. Long term borrowings 10 lakhs, assets, fixed assets, non current assets, inventories, trade receivables, other current assets. So balance sheet prepare करनी है इनसे. trade payables, long-term loans, reserves and surplus, land and building, patents, trade receivable, cash and cash equivalent, share application 10 rupees each, share application money pending allotment. So tangible assets, land and building, intangible assets, patent, इक्विटीज एंड लाइबिलिटीज में क्या आएगा, शेयर कैपिटल विच इज 1500, रिजर्व्स एंड सरप्लस 630, शेयर एप्लीकेशन मनी पेंडिंग अलॉटमेंट 3, लॉन्ग टर्म बोरोइंग्स 8, ट्रेड पेबल्स 2,80,000. सो टोटल इज 35,10,000. एसेट साइड, टेंजिबल एसेट्स 1910, intangible assets 150, inventories 490, trade receivables 620, cash and cash equivalent 340. The total would be same 3510. That's it on the financial statement of the companies. Thanks for watching. आपको कोई भी डाउट है, do let me know. I'll clear all your doubts. Take care. Goodbye.